Crypto.com, they're about to start burning Terra Classic LUNC. Now, I'm happy to see an exchange like Crypto.com having more interest recently on Terra Classic. You know, when this coin was doing well, Crypto.com, it might not even be difficult for you to hear maybe one or two things from them, or they want to burn or they want to support. Mostly we'll be hearing news from Binance and then Kraken, then Kucoin. The major people you'll be hearing that are supporting the network upgrade or they are burning Terra Classic. But if at this critical time for Terra Classic, Crypto.com are bouncing in to say they will be burning Terra Classic coins, I mean, it will be good. But the only difference is how many coins can they burn? What is the trading volume of Terra Classic on Crypto.com? But without that, I still hope no matter what they burn, whether they are burning just few coins, but the most important thing is that Crypto.com exchange at least is showing great interest on Terra Classic. They want to burn Terra Classic coin, which is good. So I still hope if they can burn between the first and second, almost same period when the world biggest, which is Binance, will be burning Terra Classic. But for me, Crypto.com, they can really create a good impact. They can really be of benefit towards Terra Classic. Remember, they are one of the exchanges that have over 10 million global customers. Yes, Crypto.com is one of the top exchanges that have over 10 million global customers. And even as of 3 years ago, they have over 10 million. So as of now, I believe their customers, their network must have increased. Their customers have hit over 12 to 13 million global customers, which means there's a tendency, if they can really start pushing, start supporting Terra Classic on their platform, for Terra Classic to gain more wallet, more market cap. So I see Crypto.com, any coin they really want to invest on, any coin they really want to push, they want to list, or the one they have listed, they want to really help the coin to grow, they can really go so many extent to push that coin. And that is why even till today, you can see that Tectonic token, which is hosted on Crypto.com, till today, they are still trying, even though they are not really that popular or among the top coins, but just Crypto.com and VVS Finance have been able to hold this coin, that have been able to keep this coin on track. So that's why I believe that, yes, Terra Classic need an exchange like Crypto.com to really help Terra Classic LLC to do well. So I'm happy that Crypto.com, one of the top biggest crypto exchange in the world, are also having interest on Terra Classic LLC. You can see today, at least crypto industry, that are really trying to bounce back. At least I'm happy to see that most coins are trying to recover, which is good for crypto industry. And I'm also hoping that the new week we are entering will become a better week for crypto industry than what we experienced this week, especially in the past 3 days. So let's hope and see how this week is going to be for crypto industry. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. So once again, thank you for stopping by.